With so much drama in the USA, it's kind of hard teaching NCOVI day, but I somehow, some way, keep coming up with lit chem lessons like every single day. May I kick a little something for the students and make a few notes as I teach through 4 class periods, and the party's still jumping because the principal's gone. Hi, this is Miss Payne and welcome to the lab. Let's do a quick review. A substance is a chemical and a pure substance is a chemical that is constant and unchanged. For example, pure water, also known as H2O, which contains the elements hydrogen and oxygen. No matter which state of matter water goes through, the chemical composition stays the same. Now, let's talk about states of matter. But first, before I tell you, how about you be a scientist right now and make some observations of your own? Here, I have 3 diagrams. What do you notice? What are some of the similarities or differences? Let's review these diagrams. Here we have a solid, which has a definite shape and volume. Some examples include steel, apples, ice, and the gold grill that I wear on Tuesdays. Our second diagram is of liquid. Liquids flow and take the shape of the container. The particles are also attracted to each other. Examples of liquids are water, milk, Gatorade, honey, rubbing alcohol, and gasoline. Dame más gasolina. Ooh, that's the jam. Our final diagram represents gas. Gas flows and has particles that dance on their own and are far apart. They're like the hippies of the group. They wander wherever they want. Now, gas particles, like liquids, can take the shape of their container, and they can expand when heated. Some examples of gases include Freon, which is in your refrigerator, oxygen, the ozone, carbon dioxide, and natural gas, and of course the air. Scientists also recognize a 4th form of matter called plasma. Some examples include lightning, the gas inside of neon signs and fluorescent lights, solar wind, and the aurora. Now let's quickly talk about the physical and chemical properties of matter. Physical properties are observable using your 5 senses and includes recorded constant characteristics such as melting and boiling points. Next are chemical properties. Chemical reactions are observed during or after a reaction occurs. It's when one chemical transforms or joins with another chemical to create an entirely new substance. Check out this chart that has a list of chemical and physical properties. Feel free to jot some down for later. Now let's talk about how the properties of matter can change. When an object or substance undergoes a change of form but does not become a new substance, it is a physical change. To demonstrate physical changes, we're going to do a little ASMR. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation on my mind. It is called the water cycle, and it happens all the time. The water cycle represents phase changes, which is a transition of the states of matter. These are considered physical changes because, again, water is just in a different state but has not changed chemical composition. Now, chemical changes usually equate to the fun parts of chemistry when things blow up, explode, catch fire, bubble, things of that nature. Chemical changes are a result of reactions. A chemical change occurs when a new substance is created. After a reaction, the chemical elements are either rearranged or combined with other substances. Indicators of a chemical change are a color change, a smell or odor, formation of bubbles, a formation of a solid, or a change in temperature. And never taste chemicals in a class, but taste is also an indicator too. Rolling down the street, seeing chemistry, sipping on H2O, flowing with my mind on my matter and the matter on my mind. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to check out the Kahoot that goes along with this video in the description box below. Bye.